Hi there, my name is Dimitris and in this video we will work together a distance rate time word problem. Emma drove for 9 hours in total, resting only for 1 hour. Her average speed while driving, not resting, was 60 miles per hour. How many miles did she travel? Okay, so we know that she drove for 9 hours and she rested for only 1 hour. Her average speed while driving, not resting, so while driving, her average speed was 60 miles per hour. So, how many miles did she travel altogether? 60 times 9, which is 450 miles in total. I would say that this is quite a tricky question because you need not to add the hours of travel. You shouldn't do 9 plus 1 because it's explicitly said not while resting. And you should also don't do any subtraction because we were not told that the whole travel was 9 hours long and throughout these 9 hours she spent 1 hour resting. You would have to simply follow the correct wording. That's all for now. We will keep on with all the rest videos of this 7 practice set. If you like the work so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe in my channel. As always, thank you for watching.